In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google Ads account. If you've never run ads before, don't worry. This walkthrough is designed to be simple, clear, and beginner-friendly, so you can get started with confidence. Begin by opening your browser and going to ads.google.com. This is the official Google Ads site. Once you're there, sign in with your Google account. If you don't already have one, you'll be prompted to create it first. Signing in connects your ads to your Google identity, which helps keep everything organized in one place. After you're signed in, Google will guide you through a setup process. Think of this as an interview that tailors the platform to your needs. The questions you see are meant to understand what kind of advertising you want to do and where your ads should appear. Take your time here. Clear answers lead to better recommendations. You'll be asked what kind of media you want to create ads for. This could be a website you want to promote, a YouTube video you want more views on, or a blog you want more readers for. Choose the option that best matches your goal. If you have a website, have the URL ready. If you're promoting a specific video, know which video you want to feature. The system uses this information to shape your next steps. As you continue, you'll answer more questions about your business and your audience. Expect prompts about where your potential customers are located, what they're interested in, and what action you want them to take, like visiting your site or watching your video. Share accurate details. This helps your ads show to the right people. If you're unsure about a setting, pick the option that seems closest to your needs. You can adjust most choices later as you learn what works. You may also be asked to provide basic ad content, such as headlines, descriptions, or the link to your page or video. Keep your messaging clear and focused on what makes your offer useful. If something isn't perfect yet, that's okay. The setup is about getting you started, not finalizing everything forever. When you've answered the questions and followed the prompts, you'll reach the finish line of the initial setup, review your selections, make sure they reflect your goals, and confirm to complete the process. That's all you need to get your Google Ads account up and running. From here, you can continue refining your campaigns as you go. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your first ads.